How to fix Snapchat device ban. If you are facing a Snapchat device ban, it means Snapchat has blocked your device from accessing its services, not just your account, and here is how to fix it. First of all, check if it's really a device ban. Try logging in with another account on your current phone. If it does not work, then your device is banned. Now, all you have to do is tap on your preferred web browser. Here I am simply tapping on the Safari for now. Then in the search address bar, type down Snapchat login. Then once done so, tap on the Snapchat login at the top. Then all you have to do is enter your credentials in there and simply try logging in your Snapchat account through your Snapchat login web. And if this also does not work, then simply go back to the home screen, long press on the Snapchat app and simply try deleting your Snapchat. Tap on the remove app option available there and tap on the delete app, and once deleted, all you have to do is restart your iPhone. Once restarted, simply wait for some times, because sometimes Snapchat imposes temporary bans for like 24 to 72 hours. Avoid trying to log in repeatedly and it may reset the cooldown timer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.